Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the correct control panel. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Screen Time, or on Android, open Digital Wellbeing. Once done, authenticate with the screen time or device passcode if prompted, because parental or device restrictions block edits otherwise. Next, tap App Limits or App Timers and find the app in the list. You want the specific entry, not a category. Make sure you select the app row so you can modify or remove its timer directly. Now you remove the limit. Tap the app's limit entry and choose the option to delete or turn it off. On iOS, either tap the limit and hit Delete Limit or swipe left on the entry. On Android, open the timer details and toggle the timer off or remove scheduled rules. Once removed, the app will no longer enforce a cutoff, but make sure to exit settings so changes persist. If you're using a managed profile, apply changes in the parent or admin account as well. Finish by confirming removal. Open the app and verify it no longer locks at the old time. If the limit still applies, restart the device and recheck screen time or digital well-being. Sometimes changes need a reboot to take effect. If problems persist, inspect family sharing, parental controls, or a managed device profile. Those override local changes. As a last step, update the operating system. A system bug can make controls appear grayed out, and an update often fixes permissions syncing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.